Tornado on the ground. Tornado warned supercell. Currently near Tuttle, Oklahoma. Oh my God, yes! Woo!
Yeah.
Currently looking at a tornado. What's up? Wait.
What?
Literally looking at a tornado. No.
No, don't be doing that. Nah, you don't need to be doing it.
Looks like it's just going straight to the ground. You're a fucking dumbass. You're a fucking dumbass. You're a dumbass. You're a dumbass. You're a dumbass. I told you stuff was gonna happen. You said, no, nothing's gonna happen. This might be a long tracker, guys. That's really forming up. Let's follow this thing. Let's get up there. I can't talk to your goofy ass who decided to not go with us. You can just moan about this, because this is your own fault. You can just moan about this, bro. That's coming down. Yep, that's gonna fully condense. Camera's on it, camera's on it. It's on the ground again. Yep, it's on the ground. Window down. Or wait, it's gonna be left side actually. Fuck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.